Hi guys, it's Alex from theStyleJungle here, and today we're doing a review of this power packer by Side by Side. And don't miss, at the end of this video we're going to give away one of these beautiful things, so watch till the end. First of all, we would like to say thank you to Side by Side for sending us this product for a review. And now let's move to the unpacking, shall we? The unpacking process is really easy because there are just two straps over here and a very nice postcards which says thank you from Hong Kong, which is actually a very cool, nice, small detail. So we have this beautiful organizer itself, the nice gladiator tag, which is actually to store the information about the owner. As you can imagine, Power Packer is an organizer, so it helps you to keep all your stuff in one place and safe while you're traveling. And I am a huge fan of bags, and I really like to have all my stuff organized so I know exactly when I need just one item from my gear, I can easily access it. So this small bag has three main compartments: 1, 2 and 3. So when I'm traveling around, I have a lot of stuff with me. All the stuff obviously connected with the camera and camera accessories, laptop accessories, my iPhone accessories as well. Let's start with the smaller items, which are obviously easy to lose. So I'll start with the headphones. I'll go to the smaller straps over here. iPhone cable. It's only up to you where you want to put the stuff. Maybe my way to put stuff is not the best. Next cable is the micro USB. I use it for my drone and for my Osmo camera. So far it looks very high quality and all the straps are attached beautifully. They're quite tight, so it's easy to put your stuff in. This compartment is done. What else you can put here is the pen or stylus. We have Apple Pencil here, so put it right there. There is another quite big compartment for smaller items. I guess this thing can be used for USB sticks and for SD cards. And here is a net for some smaller items as well. For example, I don't know, micro SD cards, something like that. So on the other side there is a place for bigger cables or some bigger items, because this part, the material of the outside, is too stretchy, so you can actually put quite big items here. So I have an extender for my MacBook Pro charging cable. As you see, it's quite long, so I'll try to fit it in. So the big cable is on its place. So over here we have another pocket. So actually it's even for more stuff. I'll put my light here, iPhone charger. Let's put this camera adapter over here and let's try to close it. Closes nicely. I mean, maybe it's not the best way to put your stuff. Maybe you will need to think about the placing of your items, but even with some random algorithm of putting stuff, it still works nice. So the third compartment over here opens halfway through, and it's designed for bigger items like camera chargers, laptop chargers, hard disk drives, or maybe you can even fit a lens over there. So let's see how much stuff we can fit in. So Canon charger goes here. It's quite big. A laptop charger, which is obviously big as well. And closes nicely. And yeah, the shape looks odd. You can see the charger over here, but it doesn't really matter because it saves a lot of space for you. Let's see if we can put the lens and hard drives instead of the laptop charger. So I'm always traveling with 2 hard drives, so it's a must-have thing for me. If it can save some space, it would be very nice. Yeah, so 2 hard drives, and actually if you don't want to put anything else here, it can be 2 more hard drives here. This is a very small 28 Canon lens. We put it here and just hope it will close. This is just amazing, isn't it? I don't think it's a very safe way to carry a lens. So in case you're not traveling by plane and you're just traveling by car to another city or around the city where you have a photo shoot, it's obviously not a bad way to put your lens and all your belongings. There are 3 different colors available. This one is Bordeaux, which is actually a purple one. Another one is Shadow, which we will be giving away, and this is basically a black version. And there is another camo version, which is actually like this. The price of the power packer is $39 US, which is actually about 56 New Zealand dollars. And it comes with a free shipping, doesn't matter where you live, it's international, and it comes with 2 years of warranty. So it's a very good package. I have to say, this product is really amazing. You know guys, we're always honest with our reviews, and for the company that was just started in April 2017, so it's slightly more than 1 year old, this is a very great product. And now this is the part of the video you were waiting for, I bet. But this is only for our New Zealand viewers. What we have for you guys is the Shadow edition of the power packer, which is actually a black one, and it will suit all your style in clothing or all the bags you have, because black is just black. So what do you need to do to win the power packer? Just click on the link below and go to our blog theStyleJungle.co.nz and read all the instructions there. We added a lot of different ways to enter this competition, so choose the one you think suits you more, or choose all of them to increase your chances to win this amazing product. So it's very easy to enter this giveaway, and the chances to win are really high, and we'll include the free shipping to your address in New Zealand, so just go for it guys. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed this review of the power packer Organiser, and if you like this video, click the link over here to watch another review of the Xiaomi backpack, and we'll see you guys very soon. Bye bye.